How to watch Loklok without ads. Tired of ads interrupting your shows? Let's fix Loklok so you can watch without distractions. So, step 1, update to the latest version. Older builds have more pop ups, while newer versions reduce ad interruptions. Step 2, clear cache and data. This removes stored ad files that may keep showing even after updates. And third and last would be to avail the premium version of Loklok. So go ahead and click on this me button at the bottom right and then select this VIP center and that will take you here. So in here, as you can see, among the best features of the Loklok standard account would be ad-free video watching on Loklok and short drama on Lock, which makes it easier for you to watch short dramas unlimitedly daily without breaks. And that is how to watch Loklok without ads.